umbrella has 8 ribs which are equally spaced. Assuming umbrella to be a flat circle of radius 45 centimeters, find the area between the two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. So here one umbrella is given and 8 ribs are there. And here the 8 ribs you can see now. And considering this as a flat circle. This umbrella we are considering as a flat circle. And these ribs are equally spaced. Means all the angles here it is same. Okay. And each that rib is having length 45 centimeter. Or otherwise the radius of the circle is, here it is given radius equal to 45 centimeters. Now what we need to find? Area between the two consecutive ribs. So two consecutive ribs we can see, here it is the area between these two. Means what's the shape here? You can see that it is a sector. And how we can find the area of this sector? Here you know that a total circle is dividing into 8 equal parts. So each part is having the area 1 by 8 of pi r square. Means one area, total area we are dividing into 8 equal parts. So each part is 1 by 8 of the total area of the circle. Now we can find the value 1 by 8 into pi. What's the value of pi? Pi it is not given. So just we can select it as 22 by 7 into r. What is radius? Here it is selecting 45. R square means 45 into 45. Understand? Another idea, here you have seen that 1 by 8. By formula how we can find that? Here you know total angle around the center. What is that? 360 degree. Okay. Now this 360 degree we are dividing into 8 equal parts. So each angle is what? 360 by 8. What is 360 by 8? Which is same as 45 degree. Okay. Now in the formula we can select it as theta by 360. Theta by 360 means what? 45 by 360. 45 by 360 again you are getting 1 by 8. Understand? Now we have to calculate this. Okay. Area we are calculating and we can cancel the common terms and all. So here it is 1, 2 you can cancel. We are getting 4 here and here it is 11. Now the remaining numbers we need to multiply. And after calculation you are getting the answer, it is same as, what is the answer? You calculate it, 795.53 centimeter square. Okay. A car has 2 wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeters wiping through an angle of 115 degree. Find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. So how many wipers are there? 2 wipers are there. And they do not overlap. Okay. And the wiper has a blade of length. What's the length? 25 centimeters. And the angle it is given 115 degree. Now we need to find the total area cleaned by the 2 blades. Okay. So here we can consider the blade. Here it is the blade. And the length of the blade is given as 25 centimeters. Here the angle is given 115 degree. And it is cleaning through an angle of 115 degree. Can you understand the shape here? What is it? It's a sector with a radius 25 centimeters and angle 115 degree. The same way 2 blades are there, no? So the same way we can consider 2 sectors. Here also the radius is 25 centimeters and the angle 115 degree. So the area of the 2 sectors we are going to find. What is the area of the sector? The formula is theta by 360 into pi r square. Okay. So area covered by the blades means here it is 115 degree. It is covering the area of the sector. So we are finding the area of 2 sectors. 2 into theta by 360 into pi r square. That's the total area covered by the 2 blades. Now we are calculating that. It is 2 into, what is theta? 115 by 360 degree into, what is the value of pi? The value of pi, it is not given, so we can select it as 22 by 7 into the radius is 25 into 25. Now you can cancel the common factors. So here we can cancel 2 and you are getting 180. Again with this 22 you can cancel it as 11 and here it is 90. And now after calculation, what is that? Here we can cancel 5. 5 5s are 25 and here it is what? 1 8. Okay. Now any other numbers possible to cancel? No. So the numbers you are getting 115 into 11 into 5 into 25 means 125 and divided by, what is that? 18 into 7. Now after calculation you are getting the answer which is same as, what is the answer? 1254.96 centimeter square. That is 1254.96 centimeter square. So what you can understand from here? The area covered by the blades means area of two sectors that we need to find 2 into theta by 360 into pi r square. So you are getting the answer like this. A horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square-shaped grass field offside 15 meters by means of a 5-meter long rope. Find, question number 1, the area of that part of the field in which the horse can graze. Second question, the increase in the grazing area if the rope were 10 meters long instead of 5 meters. And also given the value of pi, what is that? 3.14. So what is given? A horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square-shaped grass field. And here the square-shaped grass field we can select like this. What's the side? 15 meters. So it's a square-shaped grass field and the length of the rope is given. What is that? Suppose the peg is here and the horse is tied at this corner. Here it is. And the length of the rope means what? 5 meters. Okay. Now, if the rope is tight, means here it is like this. So here at 5 meters you can see like this. If it is tight here, that also 5 meters here. Understand? Now, the maximum area, the part of the field the horse can graze means that is like this. This portion, this area only, this corner, this area only the horse can graze. Means what's the shape of this corner? Here you can see the figure. It is a sector. Okay. So here you can see it's a sector. And what's the radius can you say? It is 5 meters. Radius is 5 meters. That is the length of the rope. And also can you say the angle here? It's a corner of a square. Means it is 90 degrees. So theta equal to 90 degree. So angle you got. Radius also you got. We can find the area of the sector. That will be the area of the grass field the horse can graze if the length of the rope is 5 meters. Understand? Now, the area of the field you can find. That is, area of the sector means what? Theta by 360 into pi r square. The same formula. Theta means 90 degree by 360 into pi. The value of pi is given. What is the value of pi in the question? It is 3.14. Okay. So, 3.14 into, what is the length of the rope? That will be the radius, no? So, 5. 5 into 5. Now, here we can cancel the common factors. 9, here you can cancel it as 4. So, our answer is what? 3.14 into 5 means 25 divided by 4. And that will be same as 19.625 meter square. Okay. So, this much area the horse can graze. That is the answer for the question number 1. Now, what is the question number 2? Question 2 is given the increase in the grazing area if the rope were 10 meters long instead of 5 meters. So if the rope is having length of 10 meters instead of 5 meters, here it is 10. So the area that you can see like this. Okay. The area you can see like this. Here it is the length of the rope. What's the length of this rope? It is 10 meters. So this also you can see that it is also a sector. This portion also a sector with the same angle 90 degree and also radius is 10 meters. That's the length of the rope is 10 meters. And so the new area we are going to find. So the same formula again. What's the formula? Theta by 360 into pi r square. Okay. And theta the same 90 by 360 into 3.14 into r square. Here the length of the rope is 10. So 10 into 10. Here also we can cancel the common factors. Here it is 1 by 4. 3.14 into 10 means 100. So 100 into 3.14 means 314 by 4. 314 by 4. And that answer is same as what? 78.5 meter square. So if the length of the rope is 10 meters, the area of the sector is 78.5 meter square. If the length of the rope is 5 meters, the area is 19.625 meter square. Now, the second question is what? The increase in the grazing area. How much area increased? The increase in the area. Increase in the area. How we can find that? For that, just you have to find the difference. Okay. The total area here it is 78.5 meter square minus, we are subtracting the area 19.625. Here the total area, if the length of the rope is 10 meters minus area of the field if the length of the rope is 5 meters. That we are doing subtraction. And now we are getting the answer which is 58.875 meter square. So this much increase in the area it will be there if the length of the rope is increasing from 5 to 10. Okay.